I'm going to take you through a very, very simple way to put long layers, think the butterfly haircut-esque layers into hair. We're going to be working on dry hair just so you can see how it is instantly. So compound compressed cutting is where we work with big sections. It is a technique, it's a terminology that we use, and we'll take all of the hair up in a section and we'll cut it. I'm going to be using a point cut technique because we're going to be wanting to soften off those lines. We're going to be taking off, not loads. I want to keep this mannequin nice and long so I can do some colour techniques on it. And so we're going to take that off. We're working with 5 sections today, and I'll just talk you through it, and I'll also draw them for you so you can see the placement as well and why we're placing it there. But we've split the head into 2. I've worked from the high point just here, split in there. We've got 2 sections at the front which are pushed forward, and we've got 3 sections at the back. 1 here, 1 in the middle, and 1 there. And how we work that out is we put our comb, similar to how we find our high point, where we do that, find the high point section through, we will put that on the top here, and where the head starts to move away from the comb there, that's given us the section. So I'll just draw it up on the board, working from the high point of the head. So working through here, coming straight across there. I really need to get a ruler. So we're coming across there and we're separating middle part through there. So we've got 1 side, 2 sides, there. So 1 and 2 at the front. And then that's where we placed our comb on top where the head starts to curve. And we basically come down like that to give us 3, 4, 5 sections all together. If you're looking here, we're working like that. So we've got 3, 4, 5. And then if we're looking here, there, so that would be number 2 on this side. And then we'd probably be working like that, which is number 3. And you can see number 4 just there. So that is how we're going to section. We've already sectioned, and we're going to be working with compound, compressed, I can't remember. But let's get into the haircut and we'll create a beautiful long layered haircut. Right. So we want to find a guide, and how we're going to do that, we're going to start on section number 4 on here, but that is that middle section on this back. So we want to just be taking a top point here. You get to see just through here, and like I said, let's take off pretty much with how the length of the hair is, that comb's length. So just there, you see? Yeah. Now we're working with that technique, compound, compressed. I want to be working from the guide so we can actually see the guide. So I'm going to spin the mannequin round, and I want to get the guide, which is just there. And what's really nice about this is because we take it in bigger sections, you get a little bit of over direction, not very much, but because we're working in big sections like that, we can press it into the middle so we can cut. You get a slight bit of softness, maintaining the length, blending. Here we go. I'm going to switch over to my fine tee just so I've got a bit more control, and there we have it. So all I'm going to do for a minute, there's my guide. I'm just going to take this off. Just a bit more control. We still want the control when it comes to cutting this haircut, but it's still very, very simplified. So there we go. And I'm just point cutting that off through there, making sure the hair isn't sagging too much. But to be honest, that's probably going to be our length anyway. There's still a little bit there we need to take off. If you can see, just need to, there we go. And the reason as well that I cut up there, because a lot of people will drop their fingers down and do that. I like to cut the hair where I'm sort of sectioning to, because I know I can keep my tension. I know I'm elevating because we're layering. So anything above 90 degrees is classed as a layer. If I do that and then drop down here, we're below 90 degrees. So we're actually in a graduation, although it won't look a graduation because it's long hair and it's long layers. But technically, graduation, 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 layer, 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 layer. And that's how cutting hair works. So again, I'm just going to just deep point cut into there just to remove just a bit of the weight. Now, if we just spin around so you can see how that middle layer is now sitting, just combing through. And it's quite similar to the haircut I did recently, actually, which was the box layer, the square layer, because we're taking up square like this, and we are cutting in there. And we're maintaining a lot of that. I'm then going to be pulling straight out like this, and then softening off to blend it a little bit more. So you're not left with like a layer, and then a length. So let's jump into this section now so you can see. So we still want to find our guide, and we know where that is because that is on that high point just there. And I'm just going to take this section here, and I'll do it here so you can see where we're going to be taking to. We're actually going to be over directing to this guide in the middle. And what this will do, it will keep the perimeter longer, because if we were to cut out here a square layer, we'd be losing a lot more length than if we bring it into this middle. We're actually going to maintain a bit more. So there's our guide that we put in first. Here is our new section. I'm pulling the new section over the guide so I can see the guide now, like so. There is my guide. done. So you can already see a lot more movement in that hair. Again, let's take this clip out, take that section. We find our guide again, which is just here on top. We're going to be pushing this new section of hair over to the middle. This one is quite tangly actually. So there's our guide. I've just picked it up there. Here's our guide. So you can see there. Beautiful. Now I just need to see the guide, which I can't because I'm around the back, just there. So you can see this hair here is traveling over. That hair there is up, straight up, sorry. Just make sure we keep that tension and keep this hair all together. Like I say, you could do this on wet, you could do it on dry. There we go, like that. So it's just putting some really nice long layers in. And then what I want to do is working just middle back. I'm just going to section down again through those sections that we took originally. And I'm just going to come out like this and just see if there's, well, just connect it slightly is what we want to do. So you can see, to be honest, there's a really nice connection in there already. I thought there was going to be a little bit of disconnection. What I probably want to do is just take a bit of the length off, tiny bit, just that bit that's tapered out. So we'll do that at the very end. And then what we'll do is we'll style it and then I'll show you the finished result. But we've still got the two front sections to do. So pulling this side out, again, we find our guide and I'm going to cut from this side just so I can see my guide. Because when I was cutting this side for you, so you could see, it is quite difficult to see your guide if you can't see your guide. So I've got my guide just at my fingers now. This hair is all coming towards me to the middle. There's my guide, straight there. Oops, you see, can you? There you go. I'll show you on this side a little bit easier, but I'm like back against the wall so you can see with this long hair. But there we go. And then just spin it there. And then what you should be able to see is just a little bit of shape through there. Long layers, butterfly layers. I'll stand this side so you can again see how I'm pulling it up. But I just need to take that first guide that we put in and then taking all this side section here straight over that middle piece, that guide, so you can see there. Straighten up a little bit. Come on. So guide straight up, this hair pushed over like so. I've seen my guide, so I've got that. And to be honest, I should have been still on the other side. We're ready to go. I'm going to pull it back against the wall. Straight up, I can see my guide there now at my fingers. I want to make sure that that hair there is coming over the middle like that. There we go. Just put some really nice shape all in around the face. And if you want to personalize it, I'm just going to run through probably like 2-inch sections. I'm just going to soften off and connect just some pieces just on these fronts like that. Take this section. And what I'm looking for, I just want there to be a bit more of a connection there, or else it can look a little bit like boom, boom. But this is all personal preference. You wouldn't have to do this. You could do it if you want to. Personalizing, refining is very, very personal. I just want there to be a little bit more softness in there and a little bit more connection. That is it. Just basically taking out the clips, cut the baseline in, and we've kept it like this. But you can see there's a lot more shape and everything in the haircut. There's a bit more going on with it. So if somebody wanted a big trend that's going to be happening next year, which is just like lived in layers, long layers, then that would be a very easy way to do it. Just make sure you get your sections in, make sure you're over directing to over the middle, because then you're going to keep your perimeter nice and long and full, and then you're going to be soft layers because you're elevating and over directing, both tools and techniques that we use to create softness in haircuts. So I'm going to get this just curled and then just going to brush it out. Nothing like major, but just so you can see how we've got that shape and how we're going to manipulate it once it's styled. I worked just some curls in with some flat iron, some straighteners, just to give it a little bit of movement, and so you can actually see the shape that's there, but how lovely and glossy it looks. There we go, guys. That is the finished result. Just so you can see a really bit of a loose wave, a little bit sort of glam, to be honest, but what we've got in there is that long layer. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments down below. Thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.